Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your address in the AnyDesk application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just double click on your address and then press copy, and you can copy and paste it anywhere. So this is a pretty easy method to do it, but there is another way to do it as well, which is a little bit more direct. You can see under your address the third option from left, that symbol with two lines and three dots. Press on it, wait a little bit, and you can see here you can share it in Drive, in chats, in specific applications that you have downloaded in Chrome, Notepad, Gmail, in a lot of places basically. So you can share this address anywhere that you want to. So shortly, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.